guys, so I just got in the Narwhal Nirvana Be Packed, and I wanted to do the video showing how or if, I guess I should say, if everything that I currently have in my BRB will fit into the Be Packed. I also pulled out the coin purse that I got, the Be Quick. Oh, I was like, this feels awfully heavy. The Be Quick, and then a medium Hello Sanrio Sweet set piece. Okay, so first off, this is the BRB in Whimsical Watercolor. I'm trying to record this a little bit different this time, just to show you guys, but this is the BRB and this is the Be Packed in the Narwhal Nirvana. Okay, so let's see if everything will fit from there into here. I don't keep anything in this. And then in the mommy pocket, which we're gonna put over into this pocket, is going to be my wallet, and then this just has like some coupons and things like that in it. We'll just set that down in here. Make sure you guys can see. Set that down in there. I've got a pack of gum. I just got a couple of lip things. Stick those in there. A pen. And my checkbook. Alrighty, so that's okay. All I need. Oh yeah, there is a Tide pen down in here. And some trash, as you guys can see. We'll put that down at the bottom because I don't really need that as much as I do the other things. Okay. One thing I did notice, this doesn't have a key leash either, or the sunglass pouch. I don't think there's anything in here. Moving on to the inside. It all comes crashing down. Okay, so we have a empty sippy cup, a formula holder, a toy. Let's see how we're gonna pack this in. A nursing cover and shopping cart cover. This is what we keep our food snacks in. This came from the Disney store. It has like some little Munchables, and then a couple of these. Yeah, and then a food pouch. So that's their food. This is going to be the diapering stuff, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Diapers, wipes, cream, stuff like that. Gonna make sure we can fit all this in here. In here I have 4 size 4 diapers and 3 size 3s. Let's just spread all this out. Okay, a hat, which we don't really need. Summer's unfortunately about over. A change of clothes for the baby and a t-shirt. I have let's pull it back over like this. I have a Y pouch in here. It's almost empty. This is toys. This is a large set piece. It's just little toys for the baby. We go out. And then some undies for and trash, gross. And then some undies for my daughter. Okay. And then just a strap, so we'll just leave that. In the pocket, we have a bottle. I zipped it too far. Alright, I have a bottle. And then I just have a hand sanitizer and some shoulder straps and a Patsy Pod, which we can always really have any room for any of that to be hanging off, so we'll just leave that on here for now. Alright. Okay, so we have the mommy pocket. We'll take that off in a minute. It's making me nervous already. Alright, so it's with the diapering in the bottom. So you guys can see. It opens up pretty wide, but then it doesn't open up pretty wide, if that makes sense. Let's see, and the Be Quick, let's put their little clothes and things in here, and then the bib for my daughter. Sorry. Okay, so I just put the clothes and the bib in there, and we'll put that in next. So far we're looking like this. You can see. The diapers, probably just gonna, we can put those in this back pocket that's back here. her diapers and then her diapers. Okay, that works. And then we need to put their toys and their food. And the wipes I'm going to stick back here behind the diapers if I can. Okay, and then formula and a sippy cup. Which you might be able to like put that down in there. Yeah. Okay. And then this is the shopping cart cover, which we can always take that out if need be. All right, and then the bottle. Look, we did it. And I'll just put a lid on the bottle since it doesn't have anything we didn't stick in there was this, and that's no big deal. We didn't even need to use the medium set piece or the coin purse. I thought I was going to need to, but I didn't. And then I'll probably just move my coupons that's in that one little thing over into this so I can carry this. The only thing, so it fit. The only thing I would like is to put the Passy Pod for sure over here. Let me just have it right here, right? I need to take that strap off. There we go. Okay, and then that'll work. So everything out of that I was carrying in my BRB fits in my B-Packed. It's not even that, like there's still room if I need to stuff something else in there. Like right here in the front, there is still room. And I usually use the little divider things for the food, but that's in the dishwasher, so I'm just using this. But that just still sits right there, so it doesn't matter. Okay, and then we zip up this beautiful zipper. And that's it. Okay, you guys. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any other good tips on bags that you put inside of your B-Pack to help it pack a little better, please let me know. Always looking for ways to improve so that I can pack as much stuff as we typically don't need as I can. So I did see, I feel like I saw this, that this bag topples over. Maybe it was the Mini B. But anyway, I just wanted to like note that it is sitting there, sitting straight up, and it's fine. And it's, even with all those diapers I piled in the back, I think it'll be fine to carry. All right, well anyway, thanks for what am I saying? Thanks so much for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel.